If you want to know how to take your hair from this to this in just a few easy steps, stick around. So the first step in my curly hair routine is to rinse out my hair and then shampoo. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the clips, but that's what my hair looked like after shampooing. The next step is detangling, and to do so, you're going to need a good conditioner. I like to use the conditioner from Shea Moisture. I find that this conditioner makes the whole detangling process a whole lot easier. So for detangling, I know a lot of people use some different combs, and some people use some popular brushes from TikTok, but today I'm going to be using the unbrush. This is, I think, my third time using the unbrush, and I don't know why I don't use it more often, because I keep detangling my hair in record-breaking time. And this is what my hair looks like after fully detangling, and then you're just going to wash out the conditioner. So to style my hair, I'm going to be going in with my Big Papa gel. For those who don't know, this is a really good gel. It's super moisturizing, it gives you that hold with no crunch, which I really love. So during the styling process, I use two methods of styling. Number one being finger coils, and then number two being shingling method. So for the front of my head, I usually do finger coils just to keep it more defined, because that's what people are mostly seeing. So the process is pretty straightforward. You take a section of hair and then smooth your gel of choice onto it, and then splitting that section into subsections, and then following that by doing finger coils, which is basically just taking your section and then going in a circular motion from your roots to ends. Be sure to stay consistent with your curly hair routines, because after a while, after you keep doing it and doing it and doing it, it will only get easier and easier, and it will also take less time to complete your hair. This is what my hair looks like after completing the front of my hair. So now I'm going to change my styling method. I'm going to do the shingling method now. It's pretty straightforward, like the finger coils. So you take your section and then smooth the gel onto it, and then split it into subsections also. And then you just release your hair like I'm doing in the video, just to get that natural curl. The shingling method is primarily used to retain length, because styles like finger coils often bring a lot of shrinkage, which most people aren't a fan of. Which is why the shingling method is one of my favorite choices. For those still watching the video right now, I want to give out a big thanks to all of my followers for helping this channel grow to over 10,000 subscribers. I'm really filled with a lot of joy right now, and it's really crazy to see how far we've come. But yeah, I'm going to stay grinding this summer and try to get a lot of videos out posted for you guys. So this is the finished product of my hair. I'm really happy with the end results that I got. Let me know if you guys like it too. But yeah, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and follow for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.